Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a little bit of just walking around and showing you all the toys we have. It'll be a montage type video, and it'll just slide through little video clips of pretty much everything we have. And we have a lot of potential here, and we don't have the newest fanciest stuff, but we do have a lot of stuff that could be a lot of fun. Pretty much all of it is broken though, not gonna lie. All of it needs work. So let's get right into this video. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Just making like a little welcome to my channel video, giving you a tour of all of our toys. Not all of them are mine, but a good couple of them are. And if you want to see individual videos on all these machines, subscribe and you will see it, I promise. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.